The Chinese Premier Wen Jiabao spent the weekend here in Greece meeting with Greek leaders and, of course, touring the sites. Now, he said while he was here that he thought Greece was on the right track, in fact, that Europe was on the right track. He wanted a strong Europe. He wanted a strong euro. And he also spoke to people here, made a few promises about new investments, particularly in the shipping industry and in Greece's main port, the port of Piraeus. Now, these were kind of vague promises, so we're waiting to hear from some more details. But certainly, it was seen by the Greek government as a vote of confidence, a sign that some people, China, for example, are still interested in investing here in Greece.
A welcome full of pomp and ceremony, despite the straitened times. Greece rolled out the red carpet this weekend for Chinese Premier Wen Jiabao, the first stop on his four-nation European tour. Greece is looking for investment and support from the deep-pocketed Chinese. Wen didn't disappoint.
My government has sent delegations for the promotion of commerce and investment in Europe and has signed a series of significant contracts. With the adoption of these specific measures, we have stood by the efforts of Europe to overcome its difficulties and achieve recovery.
This container port in Piraeus is run by the Chinese company COSCO. The Chinese leader visited, promising investment to make it a regional hub, as well as support for Greece's shipping industry. He also pledged to buy Greek bonds when the country goes back to the markets.
China isn't the only non-Western country that Greece is wooing. It recently signed a $5 billion investment deal with the government of Qatar, and a company from Abu Dhabi just bought a major stake in the country's largest shipyards.
For the Chinese, Europe's debt problems offer an opportunity to pick up assets cheaply. But Greek businesses hope to benefit from increased trade too.
I believe the commercial relationship and the investments of the Chinese in Greece and Greeks in China are expanding. Already the first Chinese investment has begun with COSCO. There were some small problems, but they are being overcome.
Wen also managed some sightseeing, including a visit to the new Acropolis Museum. Greece hopes more Chinese tourists can be lured to their ancient glories. In Athens, it was all smiles and goodwill, but he may face a tougher audience and questions about the value of the yuan on his next stop in Brussels.